you must be thinking to yourself, what the hell is this guy up to now? Well, come along. Let's do this. Made it to Jersey! Finally, after an hour in traffic. So some of you guys know I don't work at a dealership anymore, which presented an issue. I don't have anywhere to mount and balance tires anymore. So I did a thing. Look at it! We'll need a little bit of hardware and such. But hey, what's one more project, right? And we're gonna tow it home with the Prius because I'm fucking crazy. What'd we do today, Matt?
We made a bad decision. And a good
I think it's a good decision.
Well, the bad decision was doing this with the Prius. So Brian, how many Red Bulls are you gonna charge for a mount and balance now that you have this new machine?
Let's say one a 12 pack. No, I'm trying to stop Red Bull. Oh, the Prius really is not liking this extra weight.
No, it is not.
It didn't mind the empty trailer. It didn't even mind the trailer with the B-mod frame on it. But it really does not like a 300 pound or whatever tire machine.
Definitely more than 300 pounds.
You think so?
100%. I deadlift 4 and I can barely move that. Like that thing is, it's at least 500 pounds.
Really?
Yeah, it's heavy.
Wow. I hope it doesn't tip. I mean, all the weight's down low, right?
It's strapped very tightly. I don't think it's going anywhere. You just gotta be careful over bumps.
Is it possible to tip the whole trailer with it? Because it weighs more than the trailer?
I don't think so, because it's sitting dead centered over the axle, so I think it'll be okay.
Okay.
Like it's, you know.
Rotate it counterclockwise, right?
Counter? Yeah.
Like just this way, like your end towards me. Like that.
Nice.
Okay, so it's here. It's in the garage. It made it. Had a little issue where the straps broke, so we had to make a pit stop and get some new straps. But we made it. Now I have some work to do because this thing is in rough shape. The head's got to get replaced. These rollers, I think, definitely need to be replaced. But other than that, it just needs a quick clean. Okay, so a few days have passed since that last clip there. So it's in the back corner. Mostly works. I just did a test run, so it works. Awesome. There are a few things that it will need a little loving for. So this is one of them. This is supposed to have like a nylon cone on the bottom that centers the wheel. I used a piece of shipping tube and kind of cut it and used it to clamp the wheel, and it works. Right now the only thing that doesn't work is this lower pincer. See, it blows out air if I have it open. And that's because this line got pinched. So I got a new line coming. I also had to make a little repair. I think we broke this to this air manifold. It cracked here and this blew off. So JB Welds, all is well, holding pressure, everybody's happy. Like I said, a few things don't work, like the bead rolling pincers there, but the bead breaker on the side does work. So I use that to pop the bead. And now, I'm going to pull this in here like that. All right, here goes nothing. Beautiful. All right, how about we install one now? So these are gonna be my track wheels. So I got a set of rivals, standard rivals, to put on them. The original Rival X, not the 1.5s. There we go. And she's on. Woo. Gauge works. Looks like we're in business. All right. Cool. Who needs tires done? Hit me up on Instagram, Apex Hunter. Blessing me with a follow. I'm getting close to 1,000. Let's hit 1,000 this week, all right?